Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Anthony and in today's video, well I'm sure you can see from the title, I am swapping from my old crusty Samsung phone that I've had for about 4.5 years. It's a Samsung 8. So it's old. And I am upgrading to an iPhone 13 Pro. Now in all honesty, the reason that this has come about is not because the iPhone 13 has just come out, it's because this phone now has started to be a little bit slow. When I turn it on, it doesn't really react as quickly, and I think it's just time for an upgrade. Plus, I've been 2 years out of contracts, so, you know, I've been paying a relatively low cost for my mobile phone contract. I think I've been paying like £16 a month, and I just think it's time for a new phone, a new contract, and a new refresh. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm really excited because I'm getting the iPhone 13. Now I know this is usually a fashion channel, but I thought this is a really fun update. The iPhone 13 has just come out, so I thought I would do a little bit of an unboxing when it finally arrives and chat you through what it's like going from Samsung to an iPhone. Now I'm not a tech person, this isn't a tech review, this is just my personal review and kind of my opinions as I go through the process of swapping everything over and how I went about doing it. So currently my phone is out for delivery and it should be here in about an hour to 2 hours time, so really excited. Now I have already ordered some bits from Amazon to go with it, such as like a phone case, what's it called? Screen cover. Also, I have had to order a plug because I found out after I had agreed to have the phone, it only comes with a USB-C wire and no adapter. So, I mean, I've got USB ports in my actual socket, but I don't have the USB-C. So all of that has come and I will show you that as and when I get the phone. But now, it's just a waiting game. It's come. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open it, can't wait. So let's just get to unboxing and see what this iPhone 13 Pro is actually like. Okay, so let's unbox it and see what it actually looks like. Ooh, wow, it's got a weird smell to it, but very nice. Very sleek. Really nice. And I got the granite colour, so you know. So with it comes the phone wire and nothing else. So no headphones, no headphone jack. Yeah, so it's not got a headphone slot on. With Samsung, you've got a headphone jack, whereas this you don't, so what, I'm gonna have to go and buy a headphone jack. I mean, luckily I've got Bluetooth headphones, so yeah. And then I also bought a charger because obviously we've only got the wire, and then I also got a phone case, and I'm still waiting for screen protectors to come, so hopefully that will be soon. Now I need to put my new SIM card in the phone, and from reading the instructions I've got to register it on EE, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, I'm going to turn on the big light because the light isn't great. So now it's going to be a lot more yellow, so sorry about that. But yeah, so I just need to go in and input my phone number, and then it's going to send me a text message and I need to enter a 6-digit PIN. Okay, so that's already come through. Please enter SIM or eSIM serial number. Okay, so I'll do that now. So your SIM has been activated. So I guess now I've just got to put the SIM in the phone and then start her up. Hello. Oh, I'm really excited. So I need to set up Face ID. Never done that before, so let's do that. Continue. Oh, Okay, so move your head slowly to complete the circle. Way. First Face ID scan complete. So does it have to do this a few times? Okay. Oh, Face ID is now set up. Okay, so I've done it twice, so easy enough. Oh, apps and data. Move app from Android. Okay. Okay. Okay, for some reason that automatic transfer is not working, so I'm just going to skip that for now and maybe I can do it in a bit.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
But it's saying to ask for my Apple ID, so I'm just going to put that in. Appearance, oh, let's go dark. Or do I want light? Light, dark. I think I like the dark. I'm going to go dark for now. Welcome to iPhone. Yay! Okay, cool. Swipe up to get started. Okay, so now I need to figure out how to get my apps and everything. Cool. Okay, so let's put the case on it and see how it looks. Lovely. So this is meant to be like an anti-shock case, so you can drop it from 8 feet high and really it shouldn't smash. But I think actually I might have to take it out of this right now because I should really put the screen protector on first. Then I'm going to charge my phone and then I'm going to research how to try and get all of my stuff off this phone and onto here. But in all honesty, there aren't many apps that I want to carry over. There's a few things like my work apps and there's also a few games that I'd like to carry over. And then I'd also like to have all my notes because I've got a lot of notes here and just all of that stuff really. So let's see if I can get that over. Okay, so I have just basically wiped the phone and started again because I was Googling, and to do the setup, it's either do it manually or you do it through the app that I just mentioned. But to do it through the app that you just mentioned, you have to put the phone on the same network in terms of Wi-Fi as your old phone. Now, with my house, we've got 3 different Wi-Fi settings. We've got 2 5G and 1 slower one. I'd put 1 on one of the 5Gs and 1 on the second 5Gs, so it wasn't transferring. But now I have just put them both on the same and it is moving everything, and it's saying it's got 25 minutes. It's so much easier. It's going to copy over my contacts, it's going to copy over my WhatsApp messages. What else is it going to do? It's going to do all of my messages, my phone history, all of that sort of stuff. So relatively easy so far. So after the 25 minutes, I will check back in with you and let you know how the setup is going. Okay, so it's been quite a few hours and the phone is now fully set up. Well, I say fully, there's still a few apps that I need to double check to see if are on my phone, but generally I was able to pull all of my apps through and they automatically downloaded because of this kind of like sync thing that was on it. Super great, super easy, but what didn't happen is all of my WhatsApp messages and things like that were transferred as well. So that's unfortunate. So any messages that I did have on my old phone, I can't access now. But yeah, so I don't know whether that's because I didn't click the right box or something, but as far as I'm aware, none of my WhatsApp messages have pulled over. In terms of setup, really super easy. Like, I was really surprised because when I went from iPhone a few years ago to Samsung, oh my god, it was the most difficult thing to do. I got so frustrated, it took me about 2 weeks to get settled and used to the phone and all of that sort of stuff. Whereas this, maybe it's because I've used iPhone before, seemed really intuitive, kind of knew what to do straight away. So, and I don't know whether it's because iPhone want to make it extra difficult for you to leave their platform, but it just felt so much easier to go from Samsung to iPhone than the other way around. So, but yeah, as I say, this video is more about my experience changing phones and going from there. And I have to say, as a Samsung user and a Samsung lover, so far everything I'm seeing on my iPhone, I'm really, really happy with. The quality of the photos are really good. The quality of the videos seem really good. In fact, let's swap cameras and go on to this one. So this is the video quality compared to my camera. So this is my Canon camera and this is my iPhone camera. So I think the quality looks quite good. I'm going to switch the camera around so you can see the quality of the other side compared to this camera. So this is the quality of the camera from the other side, so the main view, so it's twisted around so I can't actually see myself. Luckily there is a mirror behind you so I can actually see that I am in focus. And then this is the quality on my normal camera. So I think I'll be able to tell when I'm editing, but from the videos that I've seen that I've taken and then looked at, I think the quality is really, really good. But yeah, so managed to set up all of my emails, managed to set up all of my apps for like YouTube and Etsy and Shutterstock and all of that sort of stuff. So really good. I think the only things I need to do is log into my social medias. But I think there was something that, because I transferred all of my old stuff over, it was automatic login, but I just tried to go on Instagram and it's not automatic login, so that's annoying. Overall, I've got a new phone. It's gone from Samsung and now I'm on iPhone, and I just thought I would come on, share the experience, do the unboxing, give you a bit of a reaction. Really, really happy with it. Really love the look of it and all of that sort of stuff. So if you are swapping from Samsung to iPhone, I would really recommend it. So far, so good. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click that beautiful red subscribe button down below. Please check out my Etsy shop where you can buy CADs and vectors to help support you in your everyday design life, and it really helps support this channel. Otherwise, I'll see you here every Thursday with a brand new video. Alright, okay, thanks for watching. Alright, bye. Cha cha cha. Bye.